Hi, I'm Whitney Port, and I'm partnering with Lactaid Milk. I travel a lot for work, for family stuff, just a lot. Here are some hacks that I picked up along the way that make traveling so much easier for me. I love to make muffins that are really delicious and super easy to pack, so I don't have to worry about finding any snacks at the airport, which makes my day easier. I make these muffins that are packed with lots of nutrients and vitamins, so I know exactly what's in them. I pack my muffins in a mason jar so I can use it as a water bottle later. Like anyone, nobody wants their jewelry to be all tangled. To keep my earrings organized and keep them as pairs, I like to put them on little buttons. That way nothing gets lost. I also use stackable twist jars for all my vitamins and medication. I can travel light and have everything I need. I use a cord organizer to keep all my cords separated. Obviously, when we travel, we have our phone charger and our headphone wires. The cord organizer keeps everything separated. These travel hacks help me stay organized and stay sane so I can milk the moments of my trip.